Hello everybody, a very good morning to all of you, my dear students. In the previous two lectures of the topic simple interest, we studied how to calculate simple interest, amount, principal, rate and time. And now today we will study two word problems of the same topic, simple interest. So the first question is, in how much time will the principal sum of rupees 8,400 amount to rupees 8,960 at 8% per annum? Means we are given amount and principal. Amount is 8,960 and principal is 8,400 and rate is given to you 8%. In this question we have to find out the time, but we are not given the simple interest. So we know that amount is equal to P plus SI. So to find out the SI, transposing this principal to left hand side, so the formula will be SI equal to amount minus principal. So we can calculate simple interest by this formula also if the amount and principal is given to you. So subtracting 8,400 from 8,960, we get 560 rupees. So the formula of time is equal to SI into 100 upon P into R. Putting all the values in this formula, we get 560 into 100 upon 8,400 into 8. Okay, this is SI and this is 100, P is 8,400, R is 8%. So now cancelling these zeros and dividing 560 by 8, we get 70 upon 84. 70 upon 84 is also divided by 14. So 14 5 is 70, 14 6 is 84. We get 5 by 6 years. Now we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So we can convert this time into months also. So time equal to 5 by 6 years, we can write also 5 by 6 into 12 because 1 year is equal to 12 months. So now dividing this 12 by 6, we get 5 into 2. 5 2 is 10 months. So the answer is 10 months. Time is 10 months. Now in question number second, at what rate percent per annum simple interest will a sum be 3 times itself in 8 years? Okay, here we are not given principal but we are given only time 8 years and the condition is given that the amount will become 3 times. So if the principal or we can say sum of money is rupees X, then amount will be 3 into X. So amount will be 3X. Here similarly we will put SI equal to A minus P formula to find the simple interest. So amount is 3X, principal is X. 3X minus X, we get 2X. Simple interest is rupees 2X. So principal is X, simple interest is 2X, time is 8 years. We have to calculate the rate. So formula of rate is R equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. Putting all the values, SI 2X, 100 is here, P is X and time is 8 years. Now X is cancelled by X and this 8 is divisible by 2, 2 4 is 8, so 4. We get 100 upon 4 which is equal to 25. Okay, because 100 is divisible by 4. 25 times, so answer is 25%. So the rate is 25%. Okay, so my dear students, I am sure that you understood well these questions, these word problems. Thank you very much.